I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
This will work.
What you got going on today?
We're doing a full front plus some pieces on this C8. We also wrapped up a Model Y this morning. C8 just got corrected. Now we're doing the PPF. Small roll. You got it?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to someone.
Well, take out your earphone or go sit in the corner or something so we can't hear you.
He's getting spicy.
Who's he? Is that Roland?
My old coworker.
Is that Roland?
No, this was Parker. I tell him all about you.
Was that the one that was here?
Times close, I whittle them down. Sticking to them by sticking around. The gang online, Iwo Jima got one flag and it's sticking the ground. Setting up shop. Think I got the message across. Came for the titles and press of the watch. We play at the levels of Letterman jazz. Shout out to Steve, the boy getting love from the harsh critics. Strives take me bi-weekly, the time me keep taking it further. You wanna finish and I gotta listen. Ain't son of believing and see that I'm actually breathing and doing it real time. Love to pull an idea out thin air, act on it and profit in real life. If we not aligned, don't present me a dotted line. Yeah, I'm a QB, but I ain't handing out nothing for someone to monetize. And it goes to the birds too, can't give it a time of a dollar. So cut eyes, they get XL, but they had it.
I could tell. You know how I know it was already tinted? Not by us. This is the telltale right here. We would never do this. This is probably what your car dealership did when they tinted your car at the dealer. Just huge light gaps. So right away, if I just look, I can see we didn't do it because that is not up to our standard. That's your average car dealer or window tint shop standard. So this 2023 C8 Stingray, it's got a full front XPEL paint protection film package. We also did the A-pillars, the front of the roof, and on the C8s they have this boomerang is what we call it. It's the ram air piece here where the ram, fills air into the engine. We cover this because it sticks out, gets a lot of debris, so we put PPF on these too. Not everybody does it with the full front, but this gentleman, he did add some pieces that he wanted to make it a custom package. So this car got the full front, which includes these black pieces and the grille and everywhere, all the paint, the headlights, full bumper, full fender, full hood, and then we include the mirrors in the full front with the black here and the paint here. We did add the A-pillars, as I mentioned, front of the roof, and the boomerangs for this gentleman. This XPEL paint protection film comes with a 10-year warranty, so if it was ever to fade, peel, or something like that, just not look clear, it's covered for 10 years. And what it does is it's going to keep you from getting like the normal rock chips where you'll see this yellow have like black pits and things like that from rock chips. It won't ever do that with this. Even if it was to get something pretty hard to hit it, more than likely we could just replace the one piece and you wouldn't have to repaint the car, which is going to be great for your value and your investment on buying a $100,000 car like this. Also, it's self-healing, so I could literally scratch this car up where we put the film on and put some hot water on it or put it in the sun and it'll actually get rid of the scratches. So it's really awesome. Some cars we do the whole thing. Some cars we just do the full front where it's gonna get most of the impact areas covered. So that's kind of what it is. It's pretty awesome. Makes your car look shiny, makes your car looking new for a really long time. Every time you wash it, even years down the road of driving, it's still gonna look just like that. So this C8 is actually owned by a real life magician. So we're trying to get it done real quick so we can make this baby disappear. Looks like the bottom ones are done. I need to look up their invoice just to make sure what it says. We just pulled up to a business that we previously tinted. He said it worked great, but he wanted to modify and add some things that he didn't know he needed before. So we kind of did like a priority job A, and we had option B, and we're gonna go in here and make option C and see how much it costs and get it scheduled.
Let's do it.
I could hang out here all day. I think my kid would like to see that.
That was cool.
Oh my gosh.
That was legit. What's the double layer? Those
top,
two.
yes.
So the tops and then add a little more down here.
Right,
And
yes.
was there anything over there?
Yeah, there was, so.
Okay, perfect. The whole window.
That's my understanding.
Okay.
Yes.
Make it darker up there too.
He didn't say anything about that. Those are the same size as the others, so I guess if you get those sizes,
Okay.
then we could always add those on, but he didn't mention that to me.
The client knows what he wants to do. He wants to block the glare and the heat because the sun's coming in up there. It's super bright and uncomfortable. And you can see they have screens. When the sun's coming in, the glare's so bright you can't see the screens. So he wants to go darker. So we're just basically measuring so we can send a proposal to make it darker and also not as hot, because he says at some point it sets down lower. And it just needs to be tinted all the way down because it's just really getting uncomfortable. Even in the winter, most people don't know the sun is actually closer to the earth. So even though it might be cool outside, the sun is still very strong, the same strength, and it's closer to the earth. So it's actually a little bit stronger. So inside of here, through the glass, it's a greenhouse effect. And you still need it. He's still having an issue, as you can see, and it's just January, early January. So it's better get it taken care of now before the whole building heats up and it's 100 outside.
Yellow.
In my opinion, it'd be better just to do the whole window at this point, and if he's not gonna add this strip, just because it would look better and the heat wouldn't come in at all. It's a wrap. Scheduling another job. Let's go eat some lunch. We earned it.
Behind me we have Brandon Pyle's 2019 Ram 2500. It just got fully repainted, color matched and everything. He drove it to us from Odessa, Texas to have a full front package with the track package as well. So everything on this front end, including the bumper, custom headlights, the hood, fenders, have paint protection film. It's an 8mm polyurethane film that's gonna last for 10 years. We also did the entire lower portion of the truck. These wide tires are gonna fling up a lot of mud and rocks. So to keep it as clean as possible, we did seam it all the way along down this body line. So that way he has protection from down and throughout the front end.
And I tell him, because I can run 248 miles. You ever done the Moab? 130 degrees with your kidneys self? What got me here won't get me there. And all I can see is the finish line. Finish line, 140 more miles. Stay hard. Hey everybody, so I'm happy to announce in 2021 and 2022, we were XPEL's largest account in all of Texas for window tints. Overall purchases with PPF and everything, #1 in Dallas-Fort Worth. It's a huge honor for us to have achieved that. And it's gonna take a lot of work moving forward to continue on the same path. What got us here, it's not gonna get us there. So we're gonna have to improve on efficiencies. We're gonna have to improve on our systems and processes, CRMs, just a lot of different things so we can continue to grow at the rate we are, because what got us here, it won't get us there. I'm proud of everybody here. It took a lot of work, a lot of effort, perseverance to do that. But 2023 is now here. We got to live up to it. We got to live up to being #1 because everyone's chasing us to take the crown. Let's do it. Follow us. If you have any questions, please ask. We'd be happy to answer any questions. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you guys next time.